guide to our Phyto Active Enzyme Cream Cleanser.
Kickstart your firming and repairing ritual with this age-defying creamy cleanser. Offering gentle exfoliation, it clears any surface impurities while firming and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Powered by exfoliating papaya enzymes to gently smooth and prep skin to receive the reparative benefits of firming plant stem cells and peptides, skin feels hydrated, strengthened, and re-energized. Massage gently onto skin with light circular movements, taking care to avoid the eye area, then rinse thoroughly. Use up to twice daily.
This creamy cleanser leaves my skin feeling beautifully firmed, smooth, and replenished, and ready for my next anti-aging skincare steps.